So in your computer keyboard, first of all, if you're using Windows computer, then this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock key. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock key. Next step is that this is the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. So you must press and Alt this Alt key. At the same time, you must type in this area 1002 After typing that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that the symbol have been added in your Windows computer. This is a circled white star symbol. So you can either try this by opening your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. This is the circled white star symbol you have created using Alt keyboard shortcut. So this is the keyboard shortcut Alt 1002 for circled white star. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe and listen online. Thank you.